All right, welcome back. Coming up tomorrow on NTV's Good Life, we have got movies, and more movies. 3 good movies coming up to your local box
Have you seen
office.
which movies are coming? Do you know yet, or is it
Yeah,
a
I got the
surprise?
text, but
Okay. Yeah. And I think we're doing some 4-H things tomorrow, maybe?
And Stacy's
Yes.
back.
And
We're excited for this one.
yeah, and I'm just going to say Peace on Poe. I'm not going to explain what it means, but I looked up what the Poe means, and it's very interesting.
It
so
is
you'll like that
awesome.
segment as
There's
well.
going to be a guest tomorrow. So we
Yeah.
have a really packed show coming up tomorrow on NTV's Good Life as well.
That's
Okay, we're
right.
in the kitchen. We're making, is this ranch
Ooh.
chicken? Slow
This
cooker
is
ranch
slow
chicken.
cooker ranch chicken with red potatoes. And all we're really doing is, I guess that's brown. Well, first of all, we over-seasoned it with a little bit too much onion salt. But so tell them what you did over there with
What
your
I did is I took a
portion.
mixture of red and, I don't know if they're Yukon or just regular white potatoes,
Mm-hmm.
cut them in half, cut them in a half of a half, which means I quartered them.
Yes.
Just put them in the crock pot, and then we melted, what, 1/4 of a cup of butter? What did we melt?
This was 3 tablespoons,
3 tablespoons,
of
not
butter.
quite a 4th.
And so we add the red potatoes to the slow cooker. Now we're
Okay.
going to sprinkle.
Ooh, do you want me to bring this
No,
over here,
half?
Carolyn?
Yes, half of the ranch packet over the potatoes.
I don't know how we ever lived without ranch.
Here, you want to go ahead and do that?
Can I? Thank
Sprinkle
you.
half of that over that. Don't
So
burn
half would
yourself.
be half
Don't
an
worry,
ounce.
I got another packet. Yeah, that's going to taste dandy, huh?
It is. I'm just getting about slow cooker season.
Yeah,
Of course, it's always slow cooker season, but
yeah, especially if you don't have time, if you're always busy.
I still have a lot more of it. 1 ounce is a lot. Okay,
There you go.
That right there.
There you go. So there's the ingredients that you need. Just about 2.5 pounds of chicken thighs, some cooking oil to brown your chicken in, the red potatoes. I use a little bit of red and just, Idaho potatoes, and then some ranch dressing mix. Really, that's all you need. So you go ahead and you brown your chicken, which
Okay.
I did. And then we're going to add, Ronnie put the potatoes at the bottom of the slow cooker. We put half of the packet of the ranch dressing packet over the potatoes. Now we're going to drizzle the top with butter. So if you want to go ahead and
Ooh, I
just
can do
drizzle
that.
those taters. This is looking good already, my friends.
Oh my gosh. This is a great recipe.
Yeah, and easy. I mean,
Yep.
seriously, how many ingredients were there?
Not many, 4 or 5.
There was only a couple that I didn't have at home. So we're putting all that butter in there.
Well, I know
There
the
we go.
potato farms are going to be, you're going to be able to dig up potatoes at your, potato farms.
Yeah.
I know Culver's down our way usually must be gearing up to do that. I think
I
that's a good
know.
lightly brown.
You think that's lightly browned
I
enough?
think so. That's what it said, lightly. Everybody's
Yeah.
definition. My grandma used to burn cookies, and she
Yes.
called them a golden brown.
Yeah.
Grandma Charlotte.
There.
Yeah.
So we're just going to place the chicken on top of your crock pot or your potatoes.
And what
that
did you
are,
say it needs to cook on high for 5 hours?
On high for 5 hours.
Okay.
Yes. And then there's a nut. And so all those juices are going to soak down into the potatoes.
Very nice. And you got a nice little thing that you can make gravy.
Yes. Put that on that one right there.
And while she's doing that, I just wanted to show you just a little
Ronnie,
bit
this
right
is
here.
delicious what she made last.
And this is all I did. I didn't bake it. Usually I bake it to kind of, but it dried on its own. And this is how much it makes.
It's delicious.
It
I
is
already
really
tried
good.
it.
So, and I used, the recipe called for 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice. I put 2 in because if you're going to go pumpkin spice like Carol says,
Go all the way.
go all the way. So that's how much it makes. So you can double the batch if you have a kid's party. Look at you.
I'm doing a chef thing right now.
What are you making, Carol?
Well, I'm making a roux, but you were supposed to, I know I should follow directions, because if my husband's watching right now, he said, just follow directions. You're supposed to pour the rest of the ranch dressing over the potatoes, but I thought with all the chicken drippings, I
Yep.
poured it in here,
Yep.
and now I'm just gonna pour all of that.
Look at you being all chef-like.
I know. I'm gonna pour all that over my chicken. Look at that, my friends.
And that's a perfect amount of, I thought maybe you had too many potatoes, but I think,
It fits in the crock
Yep.
pot just right. There you go. And then we have a little bit more of the seasoning left. Just pour that over. Yep. There you go.
yep,
There
very
you go.
nice, very nice. I'll just show you.
And then you cover that up. Put it on the crock pot on high for 5 hours. I guess if you do low, maybe 6, 7 hours. Maybe you just want to check it. But really, it's the potatoes you want to check to make
Yep.
sure those are done. But that's it.
That is
Slow-
simple.
Yeah.
I mean, we
slow
gave you a
cooker
couple
chicken.
good, there it is right there.
And then have this for dessert. Ronnie's Chex Mix, which is
Yeah.
really good. And that's not even baked yet. and
No,
it's still
that
good.
wasn't baked. I didn't bake it. You can. I just always bake
Yeah.
Chex Mix. This you didn't really need to. So
Yeah.
check
So how
these recipes
easy?
out. They'll be on our website, nebraska.tv later
Yeah.
on today.